You already know who it is. Listen up, entrepreneurs. This one's for you. Welcome to the channel where we don't just talk about hustle, we breathe it. We got your back today with the real deal. 5 game-changing tips to crank up your productivity and scale your business like never before. Buckle up because we're about to break it down and get you fired up to dominate your market. You ready? Let's go. We're kicking this off with some straight-up wisdom. Productivity is never an accident. It's a deliberate choice, a conscious decision to strive for greatness. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. It's about setting the bar high and not settling for mediocrity. Paul J. Meyer knew what was up. He understood the essence of productivity and the power of dedication. This isn't about burning the midnight oil every night. This is about intention. It's about working smart, not just hard. This is about showing up every single day, ready to put in the work, ready to be better than you were yesterday. It's about consistency and perseverance. Look, we all have the same 24 hours. It's a universal truth. It's about how you leverage those hours. It's about making every minute count. Are you scrolling through Instagram, comparing yourself to others, or are you building your empire? Are you wasting time or investing it? Are you letting fear paralyze you, or are you taking action, even if it's just one small step forward? Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. It's time to stop making excuses and start making moves. Excuses are the enemy of progress. Commit to excellence in everything you do. Set high standards and hold yourself accountable. That's how you unlock your full potential. That's how you become unstoppable. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. It's about setting clear goals, breaking them down into actionable steps, and executing with laser focus. Clarity is power. It's about being intentional with your time, your energy, and your resources. Every resource is valuable. And listen, planning is key. Without a plan, you're just drifting. You can't just wing it and expect to reach the top. Success requires a clear path. You need a roadmap, a blueprint for success. It's your guide to achieving your dreams. What are your short-term goals? Define them clearly. What are your long-term goals? Envision your future. What steps do you need to take to get there? Write it all down. Make it tangible. Get crystal clear on your vision and then go after it with everything you've got. Visualize success and make it your reality. But here's the thing. Planning without action is meaningless. Plans need execution. You have to be willing to put in the work, even when it's hard, even when you're tired, even when you're doubting yourself. Push through the challenges, and you'll find success on the other side. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk productivity hacks. We're all about working smarter, not harder, right? So, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, the Pomodoro technique. It's simple, it's effective, and it's going to revolutionize the way you work. Here's the deal. Our brains weren't designed for hours upon hours of uninterrupted work. We get distracted, we lose focus, and our productivity takes a nosedive. The Pomodoro technique combats this by breaking down your work into manageable intervals, typically 25 minutes of focused work followed by a short 5-minute break. Think of it like interval training for your brain. You're sprinting towards your goals in short bursts, followed by brief periods of rest and recovery. This approach helps you maintain a high level of focus and prevents burnout. It's all about working with your natural rhythms, not against them. Now here's the key. During those 25 minutes of work, you're laser focused on the task at hand. No distractions, no multitasking, just pure, unadulterated productivity. Put your phone on airplane mode, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and tell your team you're in the zone. When the timer goes off, take a full 5-minute break. Get up, stretch, grab a drink, or step outside for some fresh air. This is crucial for giving your mind a chance to reset and recharge before diving back in for another round. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself with a longer break of 20 to 30 minutes. Trust me, this technique is a game changer. It not only boosts your productivity but also enhances your overall well-being. By incorporating regular breaks, you allow your mind to rest, reducing stress, and preventing burnout. So give the Pomodoro technique a try and watch your efficiency soar to new heights. Chapter 3. From $5,000 to billions, the Sarah Blakely story. Let's talk inspiration, my friends. The kind that lights a fire in your soul and pushes you to achieve the impossible. You know I love a good underdog story, and this one is pure fire. It's about grit, determination, and the power of believing in yourself. This is about Sarah Blakely, the visionary behind Spanx, who took a $5,000 investment and turned it into a billion-dollar empire. Talk about hustle and heart. Picture this. Sarah, a frustrated fax machine salesperson, is getting ready for a party. She's got dreams bigger than her current reality. She's got the outfit, she's got the shoes, but she's not feeling confident. Something's missing. Her pantyhose are constricting, uncomfortable, and frankly ruining her whole vibe. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of just accepting the discomfort, she starts thinking. Instead of just complaining, Sarah takes action. She begins to research, to brainstorm, to dream up solutions. She has an idea. What if there was a better way? A way to feel comfortable and confident at the same time? What if there was a solution that provided the support and smoothing effect of pantyhose without all the discomfort? She starts experimenting. She had zero experience in fashion, zero connections in the industry, but she had something far more valuable, a relentless drive and an unwavering belief in her vision. She worked tirelessly. She invested her own money, poured her heart and soul into developing a prototype, and hit the pavement, pitching her idea to anyone who would listen. She faced countless rejections. Rejection after rejection, she kept pushing forward. Each no only fueled her determination. She knew she was onto something special, and she refused to let anyone tell her otherwise. Her confidence was unshakable. And then finally, a breakthrough. Her persistence paid off. A buyer at Neiman Marcus loved the product and placed a bet on Sarah and her vision. It was the opportunity she needed. The rest, as they say, is history. Spanx took off, becoming a household name. Spanx became a global phenomenon, empowering women everywhere to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. It revolutionized the industry. The lesson here is simple but powerful. Never underestimate the power of an idea. It can change your life. Never let fear or doubt hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Obstacles are just stepping stones. And never ever give up on yourself. Your belief in your vision can move mountains. Chapter 4. Culture Eats Strategy for Breakfast, Building a Scalable Empire. Listen up, entrepreneurs, because this is crucial. You want to scale your business? You want to build something that lasts? Then you need to understand this. Culture eats strategy for breakfast. You can have the best product in the world, the most brilliant marketing plan, but without a strong company culture, you're building on shaky ground. Culture is the heartbeat of your business. It's the shared values, beliefs, and behaviors that define your company. It's the energy that permeates every aspect of your organization, from the way you interact with customers to the way you treat your employees. When you cultivate a positive and supportive company culture, you create an environment where people are excited to come to work, where they feel valued and respected, where they're empowered to do their best work. And that, my friends, is what drives growth and scalability. Think about it. Your employees are the face of your business. They're the ones interacting with your customers, building your products, and representing your brand. If they're not happy, if they don't believe in what you're doing, it's going to show. On the flip side, when your employees are engaged, motivated, and passionate about your mission, they become your biggest advocates. They go above and beyond, they provide exceptional customer service, and they become walking, talking billboards for your brand. So invest in your culture, nurture it, and watch your business thrive. Chapter 5. Embrace the grind. Setbacks are setups for comebacks. Look, entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be bumps in the road, there will be setbacks, there will be moments when you want to throw in the towel. But it's in those moments of adversity, that you discover your true strength. Remember this, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every challenge, every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. It's a chance to learn, to adapt, to come back stronger and more resilient than ever before. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is not a lack of setbacks, it's the ability to bounce back from them. It's the unwavering belief in yourself and your vision, even when the going gets tough. So embrace the grind, embrace the challenges, embrace the failures, because it's through those experiences that you'll develop the mental toughness, the resilience, and the unwavering determination to achieve your goals. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power to overcome any obstacle and achieve any dream you set your mind to. So keep pushing forward and never, ever give up on your dreams. Boom! There you have it. 5 powerful tips to level up your entrepreneurial game. Remember, success isn't about luck. It's about the choices you make every single day. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and flood the comments with your biggest takeaway. Let's create a movement. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Until next time, I'm out.